Installation of the paper into the SL8 drum is simple and easy when you follow a few simple steps. The drum on the SL8 has two hardened steel cams installed in it. The cams have knurled edges across most of its surface, with a flat area on one side. This flat area corresponds with the notched end of the cam. When you see the notches on the end of the cam, you know the flat areas are lined up with the slot on the drum, allowing easy insertion of the paper. When you turn the cam, the knurled sections grab the paper and pull it down to make it snug to the drum. Turn the SL8 off and unplug it from the outlet. Use the sandpaper bender on the drum guard to crease the paper on the ends to provide the correct depth for insertion on the drum, as shown. Tilt the machine back on its handle and open the drum cover. Roll the drum around until the paper slot is facing you, and adjust the cam so the notches are facing you, allowing the flat sides to line up with the slot. Insert one end of the paper into the slot and roll the drum around so the paper wraps around it. Insert the other end of the paper. For some grits, 20 and down, it may be easier to insert the top side of the paper into the slot and follow with the lower end. Using your fingers, push both sides into the drum until the paper is snug around the drum. Make sure the edge of the paper is even with the edge of the drum rubber. Using the 7/16 inch open end wrench supplied with the machine, turn the left cam down 1/4 turn. Then turn the right cam 1/4 turn up. You will see and feel the paper pulling in tight to the drum. The knurled sides of the cam are working together with the springs on the drum to attach the paper properly. You must turn both cams at least 1/4 turn in the right direction for the paper to hold. Roll the drum around and check the paper to make sure it is lined up on the edge of the drum and there are no bulges or looseness. Plug the machine back into the outlet. For coarser paper, 12 to 16 grits, it may be necessary to remove some of the heavy grit before inserting paper into the slot. To accomplish this task, do the following. Put on safety goggles, bend the paper and place it on a hard, flat surface, grit side up. Using a hammer, knock the grit off the paper where it inserts into the drum, the ears. Continue to remove grit until the paper is manageable. Insert the paper as previously shown.